Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type here Chrome and open Google Chrome web browser. Then in the search bar type in DirectX download and hit enter. So click on the first link from the search results. Now select language and click on download. So here is setup. Click on show in folder. Just double click on it to start the installation process. Click here and then select next, and then next. Once the installation process is done, click on finish. After that, move to the next step. That will be, we need to go to search bar and type task manager. Then click here to open it. On this window, select run new task. Then go to browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open System32 folder, then find out CMD file, select it and click on open. Now this will be our main path. After that, check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window and we need to execute some commands very carefully. So type in sfc space / scan now and simply press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. It will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. Then go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now type this command dism space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health and hit enter. This will also take some time to complete the process. Again, wait for some time. Then type in exit to close the command prompt window. Now go to search bar, type Chrome and open Google Chrome web browser. Then type in DLL files download and click on the link from the search results, first link, and type in M2000TWN and simply hit enter. I'll just scroll down and click on the link. After that, click on download button. We need to wait for 4 seconds. After that, here we go, the zip file is created. Now copy this zip file, close this window and paste it here. Now go to search bar, type in file explorer, click here to open it, then click on these 3 dots, go to options tab, then select view tab, then check this option, show hidden files, folders and drives. Click on apply and then OK. Now go back to desktop, then right click on this zip file, simply click on extract files. Now we need to copy this file and move to the desktop again. Now we need this file to fix the problem. Open file explorer again, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Then we need to open System32 folder. Just double click on it to open it. Now copy this file and simply paste in System32 folder. So right click on it, select copy and then paste this file in System32 folder. There we go. Now in the final, simply click here, select this icon and then restart your system. If you're still facing any issue related to this problem, you can send me here screenshot and details of the error message. Then personally I will help you, or I will create a specific video on this error. So simply fill all the information and then click on submit. That's it guys, you're good to go.